Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create custom writing styles with Claude AI. And as you can see, we're currently logged on into our Claude AI, and we can see here in the input field at the bottom, you can see Claude 3.5 Sonnet and then choose a style. We're going to click on this, and here you can see different styles: normal, concise, explanatory, and formal. Now we want to create a custom style, so we're going to click on this button. When you hover over it, it's going to be orange, so you're going to click on it. And here you can see customize your styles. These are presets. We're going to go ahead and click on create custom style. Now right here, there are two methods you could use to create your custom style. If you have some writings, you can simply click on the add writing example, and then you could put in the example of your writing. You could do this by selecting, dragging and dropping it right here. Alternatively, you have the other option at the bottom, describe style instead. So I don't have any writings, so I'm going to go down here and click on describe style instead. And on this page, you have the left and the right side. Now, on the left side, you're going to select a style to start from. For example, you have define style objective, tailor to an audience, use specific voice and tone, describe generally. You also have use custom instructions, and this is advanced. Now for each of these options, when you click on each of them, you will see a description of what you need to do. So it helps you and it guides you on what you need to do. For example, if we have defined style objective, it says here, describe the main purpose and goal of this writing style, whether to teach, analyze, persuade, inspire, etc. Now here you also have a placeholder, which is a suggestion, such as try something like, I want to teach complex topics step by step with a focus on building understanding, which is good. This is the objective, to build understanding. And then you have the second option, tailor to an audience. And then you have something like write for marketing professionals. They're tech savvy and appreciate a dash of humor with their data. And then you have describe generally or use specific voice tone. So in this tutorial, we'll be trying one of them and we'll see the result. So right here, we're going to put our description of what we want. So right now I've pasted something I had written down already, and here it says responses should be relevant and factual, but not without a good sense of humor. Idiomatic expressions can be used when appropriate, and illustrations or analogies can be used to make a point. Writing should not be long nor short, just concise would be fine. So this is our description of what we want, and we've tried to be specific, but you can try to be more specific than this. So we could go ahead and click generate style. And here you can see your custom style summary, delivery, witty, concise information through engaging and informative communication. You can go ahead and edit this if you want. And then here you have preview with an example. So we're going to simply go ahead and say short story. And then in this example, it gives a prompt, write the opening of a short story about a morning commute that takes an unexpected turn. And then here you have the write-up. Now you'll need to go ahead and read it and see if it's fine for you. And if you feel you need to make some more edits, you can go ahead and edit with Claude. You could also change the preview from short story to something else. So after this has been created, you can come over here under options. It's a drop-down menu, and you can rename the style or delete the style or edit style manually. However, we have Clever Insight as the name of this style based on our description. Now we can go back, and then we have Clever Insight right here. So we can close this, and then we're going to click on choose a style, and here you can now see Clever Insight. And so anything you write here would be based on your custom writing style. So this is how to create a custom writing style with Claude AI.